So welcome back. This is the cytochrome C oxidase assay. We also call it the Oxidase Assay. We have two samples here. We have Pseudomonas aeruginosa and we have an unknown. And Pseudomonas is a really good positive control for this assay. Again, this assay takes far longer to explain the biochemistry behind it and how this is involved in aerobic respiration, and really pretty easy to conduct. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab these oxidase strips. There'll be a couple of them available to you. And they look like a little test strip. And they have a kind of almost like a little fabric pad on one side of them. So make sure not to touch that. You're going to flame your loop. You're going to, I'll do my positive control first. I'm going to put your loop in an area where there's no bacteria. Now usually I say, grab one bacteria, but actually in this case we can actually grab a little bit more. So I went on to the lawn area of my bacteria. I know it's not going to be a totally pure culture, but I want to get a good amount on there. Okay. We have no idea what the other unknown is going to be. So flame my loop to sterilize, cool it, grab a little bit of bacteria, another test strip. And so what we're really looking for is a color change. Another way, sometimes people do this assay, a little less sterile, but they take the strip and they just rub it onto an area where there's some bacteria. This one flipped over. And now we give it about 3 minutes. You don't want it to go more than 5 minutes, and you're looking for a color change. So the color is going to go from this tan color that you see in the padded area to a purple. So Pseudomonas is a really good positive control. It means that it has the enzyme cytochrome C oxidase, which means that it can undergo aerobic respiration. These ones don't seem to be changing. Again, we'll give it a couple more minutes before we determine that for sure. But if it doesn't have it, it still could be an aerobic respiring organism. It just might use a different enzyme besides cytochrome C oxidase to take that final electron from cytochrome C and add it to oxygen. It might use cytochrome B, cytochrome A. There's a whole number of cytochromes that it could use. So yes, aerobic respiration, still don't know. We don't really, it could be anaerobic, could be aerobic, could do both.